In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Hummer H3 key fob. Replacing the battery at home is very easy to do. You won't need any special tools to get it done, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. Now, the only thing you will need is something like a coin just to open up the device, and then of course you'll need a battery, which for this device is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now, getting right into it, we just want to find on the bottom right of the device the indentation, the large indentation that's right next to the keyring. Go ahead and grab your coin, insert it into that area, and we're just going to twist the coin. Don't squeeze down too much while you do this, or you're just going to make it more difficult to separate the two halves of the device. So just hold it gently and twist. And it does take quite a bit of force, more than most other key fobs. So you will need to twist quite hard. And once you have it open a little bit, sometimes it'll be open just like this, but still very stuck. You can then just put the coin in the opening and twist to make it a little bit easier on yourself. There we go. Now we have access to the battery. And from here, what you want is something like a flathead screwdriver, really any tool you might have lying around that is just thin enough to come in and pry the battery up. So I'd recommend a flathead, and you just come in from the side and kind of make a slight prying motion with the corner of your screwdriver. There we go. Just pry the battery out of there. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery and take your new CR2032. And when you're putting it in, you want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing down. So just click it into place, positive side down. And all we need to do now is just click the two halves of the device back together. Squeeze it all back together, and just like that, you have a new battery in there and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, FobBattery.com.